Hello everyone, welcome to Get 100 Marks. In today's class, we are going to discuss about protection of client computers or security tools for our client computers. In the previous class, we have discussed about a protection for web server, and now we are going to discuss for protection for our client computers. Now let's understand what is a client computer. A client computer are simply those operated by the end users of the client server system of the internet that is employed by individual browsing the internet, sending mails, messages, etc. It typically means the work system which the end user is using to send a mail or to do their personal work, which is connected in the client server network. A client computer is a computing device that connects to the network in one of the several ways, but the term typically describes the laptop or a workstation computer. Now let's discuss about what are the different security aspects which has to be taken care of in order to secure our client computers. To start off with is a physical security. It is very imperative to protect your personal system, the physical components of a personal system or a client computer. How can we do this? Is user should lock the workstations when they walk away, even for a minute. This is all it takes for an malicious coworker to send out an email in the user's name or surf a website that downloads a virus or some other software unknown to the proprietor. At the end of the day, you have to lock the room if possible to protect the computer from intruders who can gain access to the building. Physical security is the first line of defense for our client computers. Users who work from home should log off while they are going to be away from home for an extended period of time. A laptop or a system should never be left on the car seat or hotel room or in your workplace or in any open places so that anybody can damage your system. And the next important security aspect is authentication. Every client computer should require or should have an user to log in before using it. Whether the credentials are local to the computer or stored on an authentication server, nobody should be able to use a computer without logging in first. This stops everyone who's not an authorized user on the computer or the network from using a client machine for mischievous purposes. And the next important security aspect is to have an anti-malware software. The abundance of malware in the form of viruses, worms, Trojan horses, and more requires the use of anti-malware software on every client machine. It is recommended to have an anti-malware software installed in your system to protect the unwanted entry of viruses and worms into your system. It may be intentional or it may be as a process of browsing or a process of sharing your information between your uh, client network. So it is very essential to have a anti-malware software. And next one is the secure protocols. You should always abide to available secure protocols like SSL and TCL to protect the informations. Where possible, users of client computers should only connect with other computers and servers using secure protocols. It is not only essential to protect your system, but also have contact only with those systems which have already using secure protocols. One of these is HTTPS or secure HTTP, which creates a secure connection to websites. And the last one is to have a firewall based on your network structure and the transport of the information carried out. You have to select a typical firewall which could help you in protecting the informations inside the client computer. Thank you.